we are looking at how to pronounce this Irish phrase, as well as how to say cheers in many other languages. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce some more Irish words and names as well. But how do you go about pronouncing it? You have to know that this means good health. Because like in French or in Italian, you say health rather than cheers. But it does mean cheers. How do you go about pronouncing it? Sláinte va, Sláinte va, Sláinte va, Sláinte va, everybody. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and phrases whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.